Hello students, welcome back to the class. So today we will be doing chapter number 9 and we all know that we were doing Qbasic. So let's start. Today our first topic is constants and variables in Qbasic. So what are constants? Actually constants can be two types like numeric constants and string constants. Constant is a value that does not change during the entire program. When you will execute it, the value will be same throughout. That is constants. So first, numeric constants. By the name, we can understand that all the numerical values are said to be numeric constants. Here are examples like 12 or 15, 15.7, minus 14. Anything that is numerical that and the value is same throughout the program, that is said to be numeric constants. Next, string constants. Like instead of mentioning numeric values, if you are mentioning any word, any sentence or something which is like string, that means which is combination of characters, not only numbers. That can be a sentence, that can be a word, anything. So that is said to be string constant. Here it is written, string constants are a sequence of alphabets, digits, characters such as hash, percentage, everything. That is said to be string constants. Next, let's move on to variables. What are variables? When we were doing algorithms and flowchart, that time I was saying every time that we have to mention the variable name instead of giving any constant values like 15.7. No, we have to give the name of that variable. So what is this variable? Actually, when we declare a variable in a program, that assigns a particular space in our system or space in our memory. Actually, when we are mentioning the variable a in the program, that means we are assigning or consuming or allocating a space in the memory, and after that, while we will execute the program, we can give the values to the variables. Yes, variables are also two types like numeric variables and string variables. When we store any numeric data to it, that is said to be numeric variables, and if we were saving any string constant into the variable, that variable is said to be string variable. So in time of naming those variable, there are some rules that we have to follow. So first rule is the first character of the variable name should be an alphabet. Yes. Next is variable names can consist of only letters of English alphabet, digits and underscore. We cannot use any kind of special character like hash or percentage like that. String variable names should have dollar at the last character. On the left hand side, you can see all our alphabets, digits and dollar for string variables. And in the right hand side, you can see it is starting with sometimes digits. We have, included some special characters. So these are not actually valid. Let's move on to the next part, that is statements. So first is late statement. Okay, let's understand what it is. Though it is not compulsory, it is optional. If you want to use it, you can, or you can skip it as well. So first, late. Late means when we are assigning a value. As I have told, we have two types of constants like numeric and string. When we are assigning these values to a variable, then we can use this statement let. Like here it is written let a equals to 100. That means we are saving the value 100 to the variable a, and a is a numeric variable and this is numeric constant. Next it is written let city dollar equals to Delhi. Always remember, if you are mentioning any kind of string constant, you have to write it within inverted commas. Okay, so city dollar equal to Delhi. That's how we can write. Next is, next we will come to print statement. Print is only for the name, we can understand only for printing some data in the output screen. That is the use of print. We can write it in many ways. Options of writing print statements are there. So print 5 means when you are printing any kind of numeric values, you don't need to mention it within inverted commas, you can directly write print 5 so that you will see the value in the output screen. Next, here it is written print within inverted comma basic programming. That means this is a string variable so that it is within the inverted commas, and you will see basic programming this thing in the output screen. So how it will be shown in the output screen, that is also here, and the explanation is in the right hand side. So I will not read every option. What I will do, I will show you practically. That will be better. So CLS statement, it is a very important statement in Qbasic. When you are trying to clear the output screen, then you use the CLS statement. Here it is written something like CLS print hello. So this is a program that you can write here. CLS means we are clearing out the screen, output screen, and then we are just printing hello. I have mentioned this word hello within inverted commas as it is string constant, that's why. So how we can run it? So that is the question. So directly you can press F5 key to run it, or you can come to run option and then you can click on to the start. Always remember, when you are saving a program, you have to save in the Qbasic folder, okay, the folder where this application is present. Otherwise it is not possible to fetch the program. So better you just save it into the folder. This is the output screen, and you can see that here it is written hello. Okay, so that is the thing. You can simply cross it. Okay, first I'm writing CLS, and then let's write some print statements. As we have learned let, so let's apply let. After that we'll print the value. Okay, so let A equals to 25 and let B equals to 30. Okay, so I've written this and then I will print the value. How? Easy. Print inverted comma. So now this is the thing. I am trying to write some string constants like the values are. Next I will print A, print B. Okay, so that is the program. Let's run. It will take some time to create the .exe file and then it will show the result. I have to wait for a while. So this is the output. Here it is written the values are 25 and 30 because I have first of all given the values 25 and 30 using let statement. Though you can skip it if you are writing equals to and then giving the value, then also Qbasic compiler will understand that you are initializing the value or you are giving the value to the variables. Next I have written print the values are. So I have written in two ways. First the print for string constant and then for variables. So the values are, I have written, it is shown here, and then print A, that means it will take the value of A that you have given previously, 25, and then 30. So that's how you can do it. Okay, so I hope it's clear how to do it, how to use print statements. And now I will save the program where I'll come to file. Okay, so it is the name is so you can change the name. So I am in the path that is QB64. I have already selected previously. If you want to save it again, if you want to change the path, as I have told last day, you can click on these two dots to get out of the folder, and if you want to enter a folder, then you can click on that so that you will be entered. So that's how you can choose the path. Previously only I have chosen, so I will only press OK. So it is saved. So now I will show you in the single line how you can print the string constant as well as numeric constant. So that is the thing. Let's write print double quotes welcome to Qbasic and then I want to mention the numeric constant, like I have to put semicolon, then I can put the value like this. So that's how I can put both the values, string constant and as well as numeric constant, in the same line. But you have to use this semicolon between both. Okay. And also if you want to print both the values like A and B in the same line, then also you can write like this: print A semicolon B. Okay, that's how you can also print both A and B in the same line. So now we'll run the program. Yes, now you can see the values are 25, 30. This first two 25 and 30 is for these two print statements in different lines, and next 25, 30 is in the same line. I mean for this statement print AB. So first we have printed in different lines and then in the same line using semicolon, and last we have printed welcome to Qbasic 1. That means we have printed both string constant and numeric constant in the same line. Okay, so that's it for today. Next day we will continue it with next topics. So till then, bye bye, keep practicing. If you are having any question regarding Qbasic, write in the comment section below. See you in the next class. Bye bye.